Hi everyone. Parchment craft, also known as Pergamano, is the art of embellishing and decorating parchment paper, or vellum paper, through the use of techniques such as embossing, perforating, stippling, cutting and coloring. I am trying it with my own style with available tools. We need parchment paper, parchment tools, but here I am using plastic embossing tools, pen, poster colors, and double-side sticker for sticking. Draw or take a print of design. Here I did this drawing. It's simple flowers design. To trace, use any old pen which is not writing, because we don't want pen mark, ink on the design. Here one tip. Don't put too much pressure on parchment paper to avoid cutting. I have used plastic tools for embossing parchment paper. Used a gear from a toy to create a dotted line on the parchment paper. Kept an OHP sheet to avoid the line on the border. Colored backside of the design using poster color. This will give very good effect. Without the painting also the design looks very good. With a dark background, the design will look very good. With parchment tools, more complicated designs can be made. This is my first attempt. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.